So let's convert this much to that low-weighted lunatic food. Baby, and you know, in 2010, 2011, I did a lot of high court cases for the Dormaahene too. Antenna Bakope. I said to no bar, Mr. Law with a lunatic fool. I said to no bar, you were such a fool, you were quabre fool, you were mansia fool. Meboa. Until that, and then Asantehene, Mr. Law with a lunatic fool. One who likes no.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GH. FM members, baby, I will be able to check and Lawyer Obri Yeboah, former General Secretary of NPP, yin himself or a lawyer Sebe Odim Abakwasem. Na nsembia me koto na so sa work no. Ensem no na yakase edika. Ose Ghana, o hwe na wi Asantehene all the other regions no, it looks like omuni ohene pon baako. Enu nti na Sebe Dormaahene say yewo chief no. Yeka kingdom is a kuoku aboma ayeba ko tsene Asante kingdom teno. Yekotie lawyer Obri Yeboah amra.
No, you see, I've been saying that, and let me repeat it. The Bono region, no, it is a region. Nkonyani biya when you free. Nkonyani biya when ya. See. It will be a low-weighted lunatic fool who would think, say, Bono region, no, a hene bakon, it is just the vision or the mind of a low-weighted lunatic fool. I am throwing ethics and manners overboard. Yeah, because me I say me who is attended the no doso. And then the person goes and say, "Oh, Boahen, sorry, enye banch ne nkoko case no di." What's up, BBS in issue? He wants the world to applaud him. So nana man you know or tissue wabas here. Nana. Yani mena me any case original house accused. And let me convey this message to the low-weighted lunatic fool. I can tell him authorities say the number of chieftaincy cases are mayor and now. Minyini said there's a lawyer in Ghana or there's so many chieftaincy cases. Now. Ukwa hunter mena meye. Shama mena meye. Asina pinam mena meye. Aduajiri mena meye. Pram nene waka mena meye. Uko agave mena meye. Voter region mena meye. Makadu ajiri meboa. Uba they say
adwani when case semikra minimum.
Bebre tanoso ha mena meye. Tuobodom mena meye. Ofuma mena meye. Amantin mena meye. Wangara fui fenyinama mo mena meye. Say bamboy mena meye. Banda mena meye. Sekwa mena meye. Brekum mena meye. So let's convert this much to that low-weighted lunatic fool. Baby, and you know, in 2010, 2011, I did a lot of high court cases for the Dormaahene too. 2010, 2011, you should go and check. I did a lot of high court cases for the Dormaahene too. In 1994, Tapa, then the occupant of Thomas too, or Samai Egenasi Ben Boma, say Egenasi Tapadia, Menambe case in the circuit court on behalf of the Nifahene of Dormaahene, your friend upon that year. I defended the Nifahene and Dormaahene. Mr. Law, we tell you nothing fool. Obribo in a Casanity any year. Look at the Ghana for Ghana for near Ghana for Niabre, near Ghana for Petty, near Ghana for Persecution. And Yamusa, inward looking traba bigots, Musubanino. I call them inward looking traba bigots. I call them Ghana need the debate, cement Buaba from cement Kosoro, Yebeye say, Yebeye way. This is the discussion going on. Ajuma bebre pe ajuma ye. Bebre pesadi pa bebre mre industries no more. What you say? Bebre akwani anye. These are the issues going on. Mr. Law we tell you nothing fully. One uncle for no. ha ayi asiri fo na be pregoso akonya no asiri is in the Boron region wo mo pregoso akonya me na me champion asiri fo case no asiri no e wo ani Boron region ben sia de ben penhu. And it is that when you come to even Asante region, Asante na yaba akope. Asante no ba, Mr. Law will tell you nothing fool. Asante no ba, you was a phone, you were kwabre phone, you were manse fool. Meboa. Until that. And then Asantehene, Asante. Mr. Law will tell you nothing fool. When no likes no. Come to Asante. The such a man sees himself or a woman or all under a security. Kwabre ni se biya kwabre. Adanse ni oboase formina dompoase. Okacha so ya Asante ofi no me dem ya dance ni. But what is Asante for neko? What is our meko? You go to Kromachem, Abuakwa forum. Omoni Kotoku, and what is a beko? Abuakwani Abuakwani. Achimni. Kotokuni, Bosumini Bosumini. Mr. Law will tell you nothing fool. What is Achim for no beko? Krobo for no bet on any lower krobo, upper krobo. Kotum kind, Yani Nungwa, Yani Teshi, Yani Osu, Ananabua, Yani Gamashi. What is a beko? Go to Savannah region. Savannah, you need Gonja for her. You need Vagra for her. You need Tampoma for her. You need more for her. Okay.
I near no patchen a modu. Ye kase kingdom. Kingdom ye sabe. Enkuro kura omunyina kabom. No mo yiba kusebra na bedi yeso. Near no patches akosi nyina say. Dormaahene nkasa no. Udu one ma enter one tower womb. Dormaahene onya the alpha and omega of Dormaahene. Other regions so pay allegiance to other people. Asante pena wo ba Ashantia. Sebe. Ye different na see Asante mine e kwa extend Cote d'Ivoire. Yes. Ye wa himfu bi o Cote d'Ivoire. Pay allegiance to the Ashanti kingdom. Ye wa buno. Ye wa northern region. Asantefo kwabi ohonma most of north for ni nyina no kinship no pay homage to Asantehene eno na boku asem ni we buy no se yenti obi a just Asantehene pe. It shows how powerful and influential the Ashanti kingdom is. Yamai ana wiase a yewei kingdoms are sabe ye ji omutum I mabobodi I Queen Elizabeth of England or a queen. If you are near Zulu king no, I Morocco king so Ghana and now West Africa or any bako pa sebe or tua na kwafati ami Asantehene. And notina sa Queen Elizabeth oba Ghana otwam eko Kumasi eko chia otumfo ansa na wabechia the president. Oni mamamre onimde. Because ahene na sabe ebo ansa enuti so obeti baby na okase ye friend say obia ye chiefa na nipa no onim ne oka because o hwese ne ahene ni ti enemre a sabe mampohene eto famu o hwese ne benchi ni benchre obia bema sabe ya boaje Asantehene otebedwam a sabe oginchia a oye ye na hu se odi hene wenye chifusam we ahimye no odi enti wo a sabe upebi no wo sukọ na kofa bunu nyina ya ne baako uwia no obedi so na nkwatena Dormaahene ekuro kitikiti we na enkase sabe so yo hene Dormaahene de enye ohene wo de we chief wonti ase akwana kohwepo na wotie ne aloya obiri eka na tese abakwasem no ewo ho eda ho da Xposed GHFM Bros. Subscribe, share, meditu mana onsa akabi manuesi.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.